Welcome back to Tech Talk. I'm Jen Bell, your technology advisor, and today's topic is risk assessment. Understanding the areas where your organization may be at risk is one of the most important parts of the IT planning and decision-making process. We offer a variety of different IT assessments that will give you visibility into the controls in place to protect you. This assessment process will also identify areas where changes need to be made to help you meet a variety of different compliance requirements. Whether your clients or vendors are asking for specific information on questionnaires, or you are trying to better align with NIST framework, we offer solutions that will help you meet these goals. At the end of the assessment, we will give you clear recommendations on how to proceed and work with you to get these changes in place. Additionally, the reports from these assessments will be provided to you so you are always able to reference them when needed. Whether you are processing credit cards, have a HIPAA or other compliance need, we have an assessment to offer. Please reach out to me if you would like to discuss this in more detail. Until next time.